What's happening YouTube? It's Mr London Plumber. Appreciate you guys coming on and watching these videos. I wouldn't mind if you subscribed, if you liked, and you just shared it, and check out my bio as well, because you can see my Instagram page where I post a lot more content.
It's a London thing.
So today we're going to do something a little bit different. This video was motivated by one of my customers who messaged me and said, you know what, I like your videos, they're very informative. Can you do something on toilets, because I want to change my toilet and I've had a few jobs. So let's just get straight into it. The different types of toilet pans which we get in the UK. We're just going to go for it. Let's go. The most common type of toilet pan system in the UK is actually a type called wash down type. This is what I mean. And the difference, to be able to tell the two different types which we have, which is a single trapped siphon type or a double trapped siphon type. The difference, how you can tell them straight away, is actually looking at them. The double is actually a little bit higher, which is about 95 mil higher than the other one. Interesting fact. Let's get to the others. So while we're still sticking with having a flush cone on our system, we have 4 different types of systems going. So the 4 different types we have: a low level, high level, back to wall, and a hung from wall. So of the variation of that, we've now had the wall mounted toilet, which has got like no underneath, that Alibaba toilet, whatever, it's just a toilet. But it's a toilet which looks like it's floating when you put it onto the wall. Cheers guys.